Time of the year again, we are here to go apple picking. So right now it is the perfect season to do so because we're like in mid-September. So we're gonna see some Macintosh, we're gonna see some golden apples. No, is it golden? Or yeah,
ginger.
like ginger gold
Ginger
apples,
gold.
which we are gonna be aiming for to go and pick up because they're like sweet, more juicier. So come with us today to go apple picking.
It's like not yet grown, no?
So right now there are 4 type of apples that we can pick. One of them is called Polar Red. The other one is Lobo. There's Macintosh. And the one we're looking for today is called Ginger Gold. They're kind of like this like yellowish apple that's known to be juicy and sweet as well. So it's a quest to find that ginger gold that ginger gold tree, and fill our bag only with ginger gold. So let's see.
The first one was better, huh? The second one? Adi? And they're really deep in there though.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Pick a good one, huh? Oh,
These are the same tree?
perfect. Perfect apple. I think it's the same tree, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, we moved a bit.
Oh, shoot.
I'm sure this one is good.
There's a lot here. Oh, there, look.
Even the color, you can see the color, no?
This is a good one.
Put it in
Oh,
the
it's
bag.
a bit of red. Want a bit of red or no?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Better than that.
Mmm. Juicy
Yeah, good.
and sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Got him. It's funny because it says ginger gold, but
Yeah.
it's a red apple.
Red apple.
Oh.
The reason why there's like the barriers is because the trees, well, the apples are not ready, and you can see too they're much smaller than the average apples here.
Chicken here, chicken. Look, there are a lot.
Spot the chicken.
Here, tell me. Hey, they're hungry.
Nobody peels their apple for them.
They want more. Look at that. Oh my god.
Boodle fight.
Boodle fight. Look, they're fighting for the apple.
So technically there you guys saw the tractor that will help you guys go around the apple picking field. It shows you guys where different types of apple, where the different type of apples are located. So technically here at this apple picking, often it's organized by group.
I think if you go in there, you can never come out. It's goat milk. Goat milk. Eating the apple.